As a collaboration with My Vlog Dolls, let's make a miniature sewing machine. I start by taking some white clay and forming it into a rounded box. I cut off the end and also make another one and put them together. I use a tool to blend them. Then I take another piece, put it on the bottom of the one at the top, and then blend it in. I also make a curve. Then I use my blade to make kind of a dented part near the front of the sewing machine. And then I added a couple more details with clay. And I add a piece of a pin to the front for a needle. You can also add a presser foot if you want. I also add another piece to the bottom. I ended up taking off the presser foot because it wouldn't stay right, but I added a couple more things to the side and the top for detail, like a rounded cylinder. Then let's make some thread. I start by rolling out some clay and putting 2 flattened balls on the ends. Bake this for about 2 minutes. Bake the sewing machine for 4 minutes. Then I wrap some thread around the thread bobbin, and wrap it around, and put some paper at the bottom. You can also add labels if you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. And when we reach 1,000 subscribers, we'll do a giveaway. See you next time! Okay, Bill, I finally finished your Halloween costume.
What do you think? Scary or what?
Terrifying.
I'm going to have so much fun.
I have a feeling Halloween isn't the only use for that costume.